Hey guys, so it's me, Edward, and it's really late if you can't tell. I'm in my jammies and I can't sleep, so I'm gonna make a video. Today we're going to do a tutorial. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my Rockstar slash vampire-ish type look. Someone had compared me to a vampire. I wasn't going for vampire, but when it rains it pours. So yeah, instead of me using my 24-hour long stuff that I have, I'm going to use the CC cream that I got from Mary Kay. Now I'm gonna use this because hopefully I'm gonna try to go back to sleep. Who knows, we're gonna see what happens. So first and foremost, we're gonna always start off with clean skin. I washed my face before I went to sleep. Tried to go to sleep, but I really don't want this makeup all over me, so I'm just gonna squirt it directly onto the brush. Now I will say that this look will basically take me like less than 20 minutes to do, but I think it's gonna be longer since I'm explaining everything that I do. Next, we're going to use some concealer. We're gonna use this to brighten up our face. We're going to add just a little bit of concealer to our eyelids as well, because we want those shadows to really pop. So next, we're going to go in with our brows. I missed this one. Now we're going to do the brows, and you're gonna see why I said that this is the easiest part, because we're not going for that I just got my eyebrows waxed or my eyebrows just look so good. We're going for that my eyebrows are okay and I don't care about it. This is me, take it or leave it. First, we're going to comb your brows. Now, I'm using this is a brow gel that I got from Wish. It was actually free. All I had to do was pay $1 for shipping. You can get these from Walmart for just a little bit more expensive. Now we want these brows to be really bushy like that, okay? Because that's what's gonna give us that grunge look. Now that our brows are done, we're gonna get started on my favorite part, the eyeshadow part. This shadow is really easy too. This whole look is just a bang.
I love it. I love it.
We're gonna make this as easy and as simple as possible. We're gonna use one brush. Now I'm gonna first go in with a mixture of all of these reds. Also gonna get under our eyes as well. Now I'm going to take my broken palette and we're gonna take this brown and we're gonna go on top of that. Now we're just gonna go and we're gonna start off a little light. Now this is the same makeup that I wore on set of the Motley Crue's The Dirt. This is the same makeup. That was years ago. I forgot. I don't even know how long it's been since then. We're going to blend this in and drag it down because we don't want it clumped up in one place. We want to share this with the whole world, you know?
That is not correct.
This is a really good contour for me. I use this to contour my cheeks and my... Okay, so now we're going to contour. You're going to suck in your cheeks like this.
Oh my god.
That's why, okay, so a lot of people are always asking me, like, in my old tutorials when I was in high school, it was like, why do you always keep your mouth open when you're doing your makeup? When you have a long face and your face is, you're getting your makeup done in that direction, it makes my face look a lot skinnier than what it is, because I have like a really big head. So that's a little theatrical tip that I learned. So I'm gonna connect these two sides by coming and blending all of this in, and then we're gonna come across, get that in there. The way it makes our face look a lot more. I forgot to do my nose. I told you guys I'm sleepy. This is optional. If you really want that grungy look, go in with that same black liner, just like that too.
What kind of cockadoodie bookstore?
These are actually pretty okay. This is you have to clip them in. So this will be the moment when I would go in with my NYX Cosmetics, my translucent powder, but I'm not trying to set this because I'm gonna wipe this shit off my face. But I'm going to get dressed and show you guys the final look. Okay, so as you can see, I just went back in with my eyeliner and added some little squiggly lines, and that makes it look like I've been crying, at least a little bit. And another good way to spice this look up is 2 more things. Add some vampire teeth. Now, I suggest that you guys go to Dental Distortion. This is who I went to. A friend of mine recommended it to me because last year I was in a haunted house. This is the one called Bloodlust. This is what they look like. So yeah, if you guys want a tutorial on how I install them, I will make a video for that. Also, contacts. I am a freak. I'm freaky about things going in my eyes. That's why I wear glasses, and I actually should put these back on now. I'm a freak about things going in my eye. That's why I don't wear contacts now. But contacts are a good way to make this whole look really, really good. Hopefully this tutorial helps some of you guys. Whether you're going to a haunted house, you're doing this every day, who cares? Live your best life. Yeah, so that's all for this tutorial. Thank you. See you later. Bye.